Today we're doing a little project and I've got this beautiful craft wood from New Zealand, and as you can see I'm going to have to go make some cuts on both sides, just these last two boards. I want all the boards to be the same length, and now they are. They're all cut and perfectly aligned. Now, let me show you my idea. Just in case you do like this project and you want to get some of this wood, I believe we got it at Lowe's, and there's the dimensions. Now I've taken another board, and this is going to be my little riser. So I'm going to cut two boards at that length, and then I'm going to nail gun everything together. And here we go. By the way, in case you're curious as to what I'm making a tray for my kitchen island, or any table for that matter, where I can add, say, a seasonal floral arrangement, a beautiful candle, and so forth. And now what I'm going to do is beat the heck out of these boards with two different types of chains. And basically you just keep throwing the chains at the boards, and it adds dents and everything all over it. And I really think it adds character. It does. Now what I'm going to do is take a sander, and I'm going to sand the sides down just to give them a little bit of a rounded look. And then when I'm done with that, I'm going to go over the top of it just to smooth things out before I go and, put stain on the board. But before I do that, I'm going to measure where I want to add these handles for my tray, and then I'm going to do a pre-drill before I do the staining. And here you can see I'm pre-drilling where I want my handles to go. I've decided that I want to beat the boards up just a little bit more. I'm really liking the look of it, and I'm anxious to get the stain on the boards. So I hope you guys can see what I did here, but I roughed it up with the chain, and I've got my screws drilled, pre-drilled and ready for my handles after I stain this board. I sanded the edges so they're nice and smooth, and now I'm getting ready to stain with this wood finish stain in Espresso 273 because it matches my hardwood floors. So don't laugh, guys. I'm going in with a kitchen sponge, a brand new one, of course, because I just went and looked, and I am all out of paintbrushes, and I didn't want to use my good ones for this project. And actually, this is working really well. The sponge works really good to go in the grooves right there. Fills in nicely, is what I'm trying to say. Okay guys, you can see it's now drying, and I am loving the rustic look to this piece. Who knew? So I might want to do a whitewash effect on this afterwards. I don't know, but I can't wait. Can't wait to get the handles on. So I just stained underneath the board so it would all look cohesive. I've only done one coat and so it's drying, but I might do a second coat. Reason being, when I put this on the counter, I didn't want that to be a different color, if you could see underneath, you know, just to play it safe. So anyway, I'm gonna let that dry and then I have other plans for this board. All right guys, well the top of my tray is pretty dry and I love the look of the boards. It looks so cool with all those dents made by those chains. But I'm just wondering if I could add a little dimension by adding, I don't know, some white paint and doing kind of a wet and dry brush technique. I don't know, I'm thinking about it. So stay tuned. All right guys, I have decided against using white paint. I love it just the way it is. And I can't wait to style it. I've got the hardware on nice and tight. And I love it. It's different. Guys, with this whole staying home business, I must say I am finding ways to be creative in ways I never imagined. It's kind of fun. When I get bored, I find myself going to the garage, going outdoors, going down to my basement, finding things that I already have to create something new. This is a new concept for me. Truly it is. I find myself pacing. I could start the Pacers Exercise Club. Yes, let's just all pace back and forth, thinking about our next move and what we plan to do in our homes. Pacing and thinking. I'm doing a lot of that. Any of you? In fact, I probably should get that watch that, you know, counts your steps, because with all this pacing, it certainly has to add up. I mean, this could be a good thing for me. I mean, I could be getting quite a bit of exercise in with all this pacing. I'm being silly. I know. I can't help myself. Many people have asked, Liz, do you miss shopping? Do I miss shopping? Absolutely. I'd be lying if I said I didn't. Oh, I do. I miss my consignment store. I miss good old Hobby Lobby and Home Goods. Those are my three go-to stores. I miss them for sure, but it is refreshing coming up with, you know, creative things around the house and making something out of them. Like this, which I absolutely am in love with. I love this tray I made. I love it. Who knew? Who knew? Liz can make something and love it. But I'm really proud of this. And with all this staying home business, it just dawned on me, I could take Hubs and I dinner to the sofa when we're watching a movie, and this would be perfect. Or a charcuterie board with a couple glasses of wine. I could use this to take out to the spa and take some nice drinks. This might come in handy. Now, I was gonna style that board for you today. Probably gonna do it Wednesday. The whole family's up. I got a late start this morning, and yeah. All right, my sweet friends, I know this was a short video. It's a gorgeous day out. It is gorgeous. The sun is shining, as you can tell. And I wanna head outside and get some good old vitamin D. In fact, I might wanna go clean my outdoor kitchen and shine it all up and find something to grill tonight. Possibly do a fire outside, listen to the crickets and the frogs. Really enjoy the sights, the sounds, and the smells of spring. Fresh cut grass. Oh yeah, I'm doing that today. Yep, the point of this video, find something around your house and create something. You might be surprised and take a look at what you've created and go, wow, I did that. So trying to kill the time in your house, you know, I encourage you guys, walk around your garage, look at your storage decor stash, find a glue gun, you know, get some paint out, go find a piece that you don't really like anymore and try to create something out of it that you will love. And that's what I'm kind of doing around here, and it's kind of refreshing. Get your mind busy, and then you've got a new piece to decorate with. So anyway, come back and see me Wednesday. We will be decorating this tray on my kitchen island because that's where I want to put it. You'll see why. You'll see why. But anyway, I think it's going to be adorable. And then we'll be back down in my basement Wednesday and Friday as well, decorating it for spring and Easter. Or you could do this, stencil something really cute on it. You could do another like painting technique or whatever, but I really like the warmth of this wood color, and I'm not about to change it. I am really liking darker woods lately. I'm kind of like, ugh, with the white. Anybody else? Anyone else? Anyway, I'm gonna wrap this up. Come back and see me Wednesday. We'll be decorating for sure. And you guys stay safe and healthy. Try to stay out of the grocery stores. If you can, order your food. I just did that. I placed an order. It's coming Wednesday, delivered to the house. So nice. I'm so glad they do that around here. And yeah, hopefully I can make some fun recipes. I can't wait. All right, guys, thanks for stopping by. Love you all so much. Stay safe and healthy. Mwah. I'll see you Wednesday.